Guys, happy Christmas to those who celebrate Christmas today. May you are surrounded with your loved ones in happiness and healthiness. This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog, and for today's recipe it is using sweet sour cherries in light syrup. So it's sweet, it's not sour anymore, and also using Turo, the farmer's cheese that I posted the recipe or the vlog the other day. And it is sponge cake. It is so fluffy, it's nice. In Hungary they call it as Piskota, and again it is using the farmer's cheese that I shared the recipe vlog yesterday. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. For the dry ingredients, this is 3 fully packed 3/4 cup flour and half cup of sugar with 1 pouch of vanilla sugar. It is 8 grams, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it and set to side. Now for the wet ingredients, this is 3 whole eggs. Just whisk it until completely kind of foamy a bit. Add half cup of sour cream. You can use full fat or you can use skim. Whisk again until completely combined. Now we're gonna add in the dry ingredients. Whisk a little at a time. Whisk in the dry ingredients a little at a time until completely combined. Nicely combined as so. Now we're gonna add in 250 grams of our farmer's cheese, homemade farmer's cheese. And then we're gonna mix it again. Now we're gonna pour this batter onto our parchment lined baking pan. Transport onto the pan. We're gonna drop cherries everywhere. I love these cherries. When we lived in Europe, many households do it themselves. It's sour cherries in light syrup. Many households made it themselves. So just put the cherry everywhere. Not easy to find these cherries in syrup here unless you go to European store. And the camera is not focusing. We're gonna bake it at preheated 350 Fahrenheit until knife inserted in the center comes out clean. Look how nice this Piskota